Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Let Me Excel. Today we are going to learn some of the very easy and useful date and time functions. And the list is date, year, month, day, under time, hour, minute, second, and if time permits, we'll learn e-date and EO month also. Believe me friends, they are very easy to learn and they are very useful. So please watch the video until the end. So by the end of 5 to 7 minutes, you will know all these functions and you'll start using them. So without spending time here, let me take you to the spreadsheet and let us start learning them one by one. This is the fourth video of function series, and if you have not checked the previous ones, do check them. Okay, so first in the list is date function, and start typing date function, DATE, and as soon as I type this, I get explanation that converts year, month, day into date. So let me hit tab. As you can see, date has three components, that is year, month, and day. And please remember, you cannot type like January or Thursday, Friday, like that. It should be all the numbers, all these year, month, and day should be in pure numbers. And like year, if we talk about January 15, 2020, it has to be 2020, and month should be 1 and day should be 15. So let us start entering those numbers and build a date. Actually, the date function builds a date from three components, that is year, month, and day. Let us enter 2020 here, comma, month is let us say 5, okay, that is for May, and day, let us see 20. I'm getting 5/20/2020. This is because my setting is MMDDYY setting format, MMDDYY format. If I do it in Excel, okay, the syntax is same, function is same, date and year is 2020. Let me enter the same number, month is 5 and day is 20. So in Excel I get 25/2020 because my setting is different here in Excel. That means it is DDMMYY format. So I'm getting this way in Excel. Once you have date, you can split them into year, month, day also. So let us try to do this here itself. If I want to get the year out of this 5/20/2020, then I have to use year function. So let us do that, equal to year, and click on the cell where your date is there. So I'm clicking on B2, I'm closing the bracket, and I should get 2020. Likewise, same, I can extract the month also. So let me try MONTH, month. And friends, in Google spreadsheet you can see the example also. See 5/20/2020, which is there in B2. I am referring to that cell by clicking on it, and I close the bracket and I enter. I get 5. Let me format this so that it becomes clear to everyone that which month is this. Format DDMMYY. Okay, so let me make it DDMMY. So it's 25/2020. So now it is clear. 25/2020. So month is 5. It is extracting month from date. Okay, earlier we built date from three different components of date function, that is year, month, and day. Now we are extracting year from that date, month from that date, and now we are going to extract day from the date. Okay, equal to day, and same as usual, I have to either I can type the dates in quotation mark or I can refer to a cell where the date is already entered. So I'm going to refer to my cell which is B2, and I have to close the bracket. As you know, I'm getting 20 as day. So it's the 20th day of May 2020. So you friends, you saw, right? It's so easy to extract date, year, month, and day, or build a date function out of year, month, and day. So it's both way traffic. It's not just one way traffic. You can build date from year, month, and day also, and you can extract year, month, and day from the valid date also. It's so simple, and the same way we can work with time function also. So let us see time function, how it is built. Equal to time. So now instead of year it is asking me hour, instead of month it is minute, and instead of day it is second. So it is in order of highest to lowest. So hour, let us see 10 hours. Minute, let us enter 20, no, let us say 25, and second, let us say 56. So it is 10, 25, 56 a.m. So if I make this 20, instead of 10, if I make 20, it becomes PM. 8:25, 56 PM. For simplicity, let me keep as 10. Okay, so 10, 25, 56 is the timing. 10, 25, 56 AM is the time we just built with the help of time function. Isn't it so easy? Okay, so now let us extract hour out of this. So I should get 10, obviously. Hour, I'll refer to this cell which is B6 and close the bracket. I'll get 10. Yes, I got 10. Amazing. Likewise, let us extract minute, equal to minut. Okay, so I should choose correctly because I am getting first as minus function. Okay, let me choose minute, and so it extracts the minute from a time. Okay, so minute 11:40 19, sorry, example is minute, in quotation mark they have written 11:40:59. So you should get 40. If you use this exactly same function here, this one, then you should get 40. But for now we are using our own cell which is 10:25:56, our own time. Let me click here, close the bracket. Okay, I'm referring to B6 where I have entered my time, where we have built our time. Okay, 25. Yes, it is correct. Second is so simple, SECOND, second, and refer to the time which is again in B6 and close the bracket. I get 56. See friends, date and time functions are so similar. So they have, both of them have three components. Date has year, month and day. Time has hour, minute and second. So it's so easy to extract or split or build time and date functions. Let me make one simple table and let's try to build some dates. RANDBETWEEN is a function which gives me the random number. So all I have to supply is the lowest number and the highest number, as you can see here, and it gives me numbers between those lowest and highest number. Alright, so let's build a date here. Date equal to date. Here is this one, refer to year column. Then month is this one, refer to month column. And day is this one, refer to day column. So it's 12/30, 2000. Okay, let me change this to values so that they don't change. Copy and paste special values. You can see 5/9/2012. This is May 19, 2012, then December 18, 2012, then again December 5, 2017. This is how we build our dates. One interesting thing I want to show you is, say for example you are building a date, okay, and you supply 2020, and you supplied month as 2, which is February, and you supplied 30. What happens now? Because we all know in 2020 we had, since it is leap year, we had 29 days, but usually there are only 28 days. But if I supply more number of days than the month has, what happens? Okay, let us see that. Yes. Oh my god, I can't believe this. So Excel is so intelligent that it knows that February had only 29 days in 2020, so it is adding one more day because we supplied 30 here. If I give 29 here, it gives me 229. Okay, 229 2020. But since I supplied here 30, that is number of days as 30, so it knows that it has 2020 had only 29 days in February, so it adds one more number, one more day to the final result and gives me 3/1/2020. So I should not worry about how many days are there in which all months, like 30 day had September, April, June and November, all those things that rhyme. You don't have to memorize, you don't have to check which month has how many days also. So it does it on its own. Same with the time also. Now let's try to take this example, whatever is shown here, 11:40 and 59. So I should get 11:40:59. This is normal. But what if I in seconds? See, we know there are only 60 seconds and 60 minutes, right? So let us in seconds. Let me try to make it as 65. So what happens is, since we entered 65 seconds, Excel knows that 65 seconds means 1 minute and 5 seconds. So that 1 minute is carry forwarded to 40, which became 41. So it's so smart, friends. So it's very amazing that Excel knows this kind of calculation very precisely. I hope you like the video, and I think we are good to close today, because we'll cover these two functions in the next video, and they are very important function, very easy to learn, and very important functions. But since we have spent already 7-8 minutes in this video, so I don't want to prolong it. All right, guys, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question or queries, please don't hesitate to put it forward in comments. All right, have a great day ahead. Love you all.